Napakaganda po ng pag-uusapan natin. Ang nakakabilib na official debut game ni Arvin Tolentino sa KBL, lumusot sa 4 kalaban pa si Tamayo. At kay Soto, special mention at pinag-uusapan ng mga players ng Guam na makakalaban ng Gilas sa November. Biggest game daw in history nila itong game sa Gilas. So eto, bakbakan na agad po tayo. First game ng KBL season na ito, magkalaban pa Carl Tamayo at Arvin Tolentino. Eto mga kaibigan, 1 minute lang po ito. So talagang panoorin po ninyo at maganda talagang pinakita rito. Official debut game nitong si Arvin Tolentino. Eto pong si Carl, mga 10 attempts lang ata siya, makikita natin sa dulo. Hindi siya masyado nakatira dito. 4 lang yung pumasok, 4 out of 10 ata. Eto namang si Arvin. Sa first 3 quarters, walang sablay. Kahit na nung first quarter, 5 minutes siya naglaro off the bench, ay hindi siya napapasa, hindi siya nakatira, pero talagang nakagawa pa rin siya, talagang efficient. So ito, Carl Tamayo, naka 2 points dito. So ito, makikita natin, napakagandang pasa dito, parang point forward ang laruan ni Carl Tamayo. So ito, lumusot sa 4 ang ating kababayan na si Arvin Tolentino. So yan, makikita natin, naka 16 points to mga kaibigan sa game nito, sa official debut game niya. At ito, nagustuhan to ni Arvin and 1. So tingnan natin yung replay sa ilalim. Nagustuhan ni Arvin yan. So nakakatuwa naman ating kababayan sa kanyang debut game, ay maganda ang pinakita niya. Si Carl Tamayo, although mababa yung kanyang puntos dito sa game na ito, pero napakadami niyang rebound at ang ganda ng mga pasa niya. Yun ang nagawa niya, pero hindi pa rin naging sapat. Talagang nanalo yung kalaban. Etong team nila, Arvin yan, ang ganda ng pasa. Overtime mga kaibigan, pero hindi na sila masyado naglaro, especially si Tamayo. And yan ang score mga kaibigan, 81-89. Yan yung matchup ng dalawa. Ano po ang masasabi nyo rito para pupunta na ako sa napakagandang topic natin? Diba mga kaibigan, makakalaban po ng Gilas ang Guam, 2 games home and away sa November and December sa World Cup qualifiers. So ito nangyari, may interview po pala kanina ang mismong head coach ng Guam, kasama niya ang 2 players. Dito sa interview, ito si Joe yung player at etong si Mark Johnson. So unahin natin yung sinabi ni Joe about dito sa ating Gilas, na banggit pa niya si Kai Soto.
We're playing at home and with Guam's Filipino community is going to be massive.
Yeah, I think it's probably the biggest game going to be played on the island in terms of the fans, in terms of the turnout. I think we're going to have a really good turnout of people coming to support both teams, and I'm excited for it. Good competition. You already know the Philippines got a lot of pros, a lot of tough players. Mark was telling me that they got their big man Kai Soto might be in, so I know a lot of people want to see him play, and I think it's going to be fun, man. We have a chance. It'll be a good game. We always compete at home. It's where we do well at, better than when we're out in the other countries. So I'm looking forward to it.
So pinag-uusapan pala ng mga players ng Guam ang ating pambato na si Kai Soto. Yan, sinabi ni Joe na sinabihan daw po siya nitong kasama niya sa interview na si Mark Johnson na ito nga ang Gilas daw ay may Kai Soto na posibleng maglaro dito. At sinabi rin po ni Joe ito nga daw yung biggest game sa Guam history, at yan din ang nakapost sa Guam page mga kaibigan. Biggest basketball game in Guam's history, ang laban sa Gilas. At the same time, ito pakinggan nyo yung sinabi po, maiksi lang, nung coach mismo nitong Guam, yan, nasa gitna, at ito yung player na si Mark.
Defense, you bring size. How do you think we match up against, what the Philippines is going to bring into when they come to our gym?
I think we match up well. Like Coach EJ was saying, we like our chances. We've been training. I
was just saying they've always got athleticism. They've always got size, and they play disciplined ball, right? So how are you guys already starting to strategize and see how we're going to face them?
I think we match up really well. I think they have size, they have speed. I think the experience that they have playing professionally in the Philippines is an advantage to where Team Guam come together whenever it's time for competition. But at the end of the day, I promise you the team that's going to play Team Guam is not on vacation. We're gonna play them hard, and we are going to make them feel us. And I think that's what we owe it when we represent Guam. Is that it's not going to be a vacation when you come to Guam to play us.
Absolutely. Okay, we're going to share that off.
Batiin ko po pala yung mga kaibigan natin. Inigo Arbas, Hunter Dex Hunter, Anony Music, Ruel Basadre, Mac Chanco, Rose and Dale, Resty Eduarte, Will Belin, Paulo J. Sebuk, Rigisek, Alvin Joseph Anova at Raxido. Mga kaibigan, maraming salamat po.